Stop scrolling. 99% of people think charisma is a gift. But today, you unlock the truth. I'm about to drop 30 science-backed charisma tricks used by leaders, influencers, basically the most magnetic people on earth. Trick number 14? It's so powerful, it'll change how everyone sees you. Let's go! Trick 1, the confidence eye contact formula. Hold eye contact for 2 to 3 seconds longer. Triggers instant trust. Science says so. Trick 2, mirror their body language. Subtly copy their body language with a 3-second delay. Instantly builds rapport. Trick 3, the name game. Say their name 3 times in 5 minutes. Dale Carnegie's secret for unforgettable connections. Trick 4, deep dive opener. Ask, what's got you excited lately? Skips boring small talk, gets real, fast. Trick 5, 70-30 listening rule. Listen 70%, talk 30%. You'll seem smarter, kinder, and more charismatic. If you're already taking notes, smash that like button. And comment charisma if you want more social psychology secrets. The algorithm loves it, and so do I. Trick 6, smile before you speak. Smile just before you speak. It primes trust in milliseconds. Trick 7, compliment like a pro. Specific compliments. Don't say, nice shirt. Say, that color really suits you. It brings out your energy. Feels 10x more genuine. Trick 8, match their energy level to match their vibe. Then dial it up by 10%. Too much equals annoying. Too little equals forgettable. Trick 9, power pause. Pause 1 second before you reply. Shows you're thoughtful and powerful. Trick 10, use open palm gestures to keep your palms visible. It signals honesty and leadership. We're only at trick 10, and your charisma's already leveling up. Subscribe for more self-improvement hacks. New videos every week. Trick 11, the 3-touch rule. Handshake, shoulder tap, high five, respectfully. Physical touch, emotional bond. Trick 12, ask follow-up questions. Ask, why was that important to you? It shows you care and builds real relationships. Trick 13, the vulnerability trick. I used to struggle with that too. Instantly opens hearts. Trick 14, remember small detail. Remember little things, like their dog's name. Bring it up later. And watch their face light up. Did trick number 14 just blow your mind? That's social psychology in action. Like if you learned something new. Trick 15, master the confident handshake. Palm vertical. Firm, not crushing. Eye contact. Sets the tone instantly. Trick 16, match communication style. Fast talker, speed up. Calm speaker, slow down. Adapt and connect. Trick 17, storytelling formula. Conflict, emotion, transformation, attention magnet. Trick 18, give credit to others. My team did the amazing work. Looks generous, earns respect. Trick 19, positive assumptions assume good intent. Say, I know you care about this. People feel your good vibes. Trick 20, graceful disagreement. I see it differently, sis, but I respect your view. Magnetic, even in conflict. Want to dive deeper into the science of charisma? Check the books linked in the description. These are game changers. Trick 21, thank you rule. Be specific with your gratitude. It leaves a lasting impression. Trick 22, humor without clowning. Playful beats sarcastic. Confident beats self-deprecating. Make people laugh without becoming the joke. Trick 23, active listening signal. Nod, lean in, echo their last 3 words. Your body says, I care. Trick 24, share failures. My first interview, total disaster. Relatable equal lovable. Trick 25. Genuine interest formula. Say, tell me more about that. Deepens every conversation. Trick 26. Master the graceful exit. Smile. Shake hands. Say, this was great. Let's do it again soon. Trick 27. Build empathy bridges. I haven't been through that, but I can imagine how tough it must be. That line changes lives. Trick 28. Use inclusive language. Say we instead of you should. It makes people feel like you're with them. Trick 29. Consistency principle. Always show up as you. That's how trust and likability compound. Trick 30. Charisma reflection. Pick your top 3 tricks. Write them down. Practice daily. Your transformation starts now. Made it this far? You're serious about growth. The books linked below will take you deeper. Subscribe for weekly charisma plus confidence mastery. Comment your top 3 tricks. All right, everyone? And remember, charisma isn't luck. It's a learnable skill. And you just got the playbook. Now go become irresistibly likable.